party. Let's do it now.
Yeah? You're excited? You're pumped up?
Oh yeah, with all my messy hair and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you have any major plans for after the performance?
Actually, no. Maybe go to sleep
Cool.
or drink Gatorade.
Oh, all right. Oh, there's Molly. Oh, way to go. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Let- no, it's fine.
So that's
Did I
what's
ruin
going
it?
on. Not
Did I
much.
No. I'm going to go into the mirror now. Look, there's Jennifer Valley.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah. All right.
Good to see you tonight.
Okay, it's good to
It's
see
a
you.
pleasure for you
Um,
to be hosting.
yeah,
Yeah.
to say this is the most experience I've ever had in a music shop because
Right.
I order all my music online.
Right. Well, I think all of us do. Hello, 1-800-GLENDOWER.
That's
Or,
true.
yeah,
Yeah.
TIS music for
Yeah.
me is the way to go.
Yeah.
And guess
Or
what?
sometimes Amazon even surprises you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Just
save a lot of
surprises
car
you.
insurance for switching to Geico.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they have that, super saver shipping on
Yeah.
Amazon. and you spend so much.
One-click checkout.
I don't know if the music shop has that.
Yeah, but we'll find out tonight, right?
Yeah.
We will.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. We'll come back later, okay?
No problem.
Okay.
All right, great.